how to get W2 from Doordash. Now this is what you need to pay attention to. Most dashers don't get a W2, they get a 1099 NEC instead, because you're considered an independent contractor and not an employee. So you're looking for this form. If you want to get this form, you check your email. Doordash usually emails your 1099 link by late January. You can search for your inbox Doordash plus 1099 or Stripe, because they send it using Stripe Express. You will then log into Stripe Express. You can go to this website and use the same login tied to your Dasher account. If you forgot your login, you can click on Resend Login link. Access your 1099. Once you're in Stripe Express, you will tap on Tax Documents and download your 1099 NEC form for the tax year. If you need any further help, you can call Doordash support or chat in the Dasher app or visit the website. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and a sub, and I'll see you next time.